Good evening. Today I'll speak about standard deviation and variance, comparing population and sample. Example number 1, the number set is data 2, 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3 n equal 3. The mean equal the sum of the numbers 2 plus 4 plus 6 divided with 3. 1, 2, 3. Six plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12 divided by 3 equal 4. Variance. Squared deviations from mean 2. The first number is 2. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 power 2 equal minus 2 power 2 equal minus 2 by minus 2 equal 4. The second number 4. 4 minus 4 power 2 equal 0 power 2 equal 0. The third number I have 6. 6 minus 4 power 2 equal 2 power 2 equal 4. Now I will plus all the deviations, square deviations. 4 plus 4 plus 0 equal 8. So I get the sum here, sum of squares equal 8. Variance. Population first. Sample. Variance. Equal the sum squared deviation squared divided by n. Sample variance equal the sum of square deviation divided by n minus 1. Here the sum we get 8. 1, 2, 3 divided by 3 equal 2.67. Here the sum 8 divided by n minus 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 1 equal 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Standard deviation equal square root 2.67 equal 1.63. Standard deviation equal square root 4 equal 2. The different when it's sample, we divide it by 2 n minus 1. But when it's population, we divide it square deviation with the sum of the square deviation with n, just with n. Note, the sample version gives a higher result because we divided by n minus 1 instead of n. Example number 2. Five, 7, 8, 10. The mean equal 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. N equal 4. Mean equal 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 7, 25, 25, 30, plus 5 plus 30 divided by 4 equals 7.5. Squared deviations. First, 5 minus 7.5 squared equal 5 minus 7.5 minus 2.5 power 2 equal 6.25. The second number 7. 7 minus the mean 7.5 squared equal minus 0.5 squared equal 0.25. The third number, 8. 8 minus 7.5 squared equal 0.5 squared equal 0.25. The last number, 10 minus 7.5 power 2 equal 2. Two 0.5 power 2 equal 6 power 25. Now the sum of the squares of squares Six 6.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 6.25 equal 13. So the sum of squares equal 13. Variance, population, first variance equal the sum squared deviation divided by n. Variance, when it's sample, variance equal the sum of squared deviation divided by n minus 1. Equal 13, the sum of squares 13, I get 13 divided by n by 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 equal 4.33. Standard deviation equal square root 4.33 equal 2.08. This is for sample. Oh, I get wrong here. 3.25, and the square root for standard deviation 3.25 equal 180. Variance here, when it's sample, variance equal 13 divided by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and R4 minus 1 equal 13 divided by 3 equal 4.33, and standard deviation equal the square root 4.33 equal 2.08. The last example, the third example and the last example, we see the difference between the two. When it's population, the whole population, we divide it by n. When we take a sample, we divide it by n minus 1. The last example, number 3, data 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 12, 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The mean (3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15) divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. N equal 5. 5 numbers I have in my data. It will be 15 plus 15 plus 15, 30 plus 15, 45. 45 divided by 5 equal 9. The mean equal 9. Squared deviation. Squared deviation. Three minus 9. 3 minus 9 squared equal minus 6 squared equal minus 6 by minus 6, 36. Six minus 9 squared equal minus 3 squared equal minus 3 by minus 3, 9. Nine minus 9, 0 squared, it will be 0. The fourth number, 12 minus 9 squared equal 3 squared equal 9. And the last number 15 minus 9, 15 minus 9 squared equal 5, 15 minus 9 equals 6 squared equal 36. The sum of the square deviation I'll take it here. Sum of squares equal 36 plus 9 plus 0 plus 9 plus 36 equal 36 plus 9 45, 36 plus 9 45, so equal the sum of squares equal 90. So sum of squares equal 90. Continue with standard deviation, variance, and standard deviation for population and for sample. Variance equal the sum of squared deviation, sum squared divided by n, and variance equal sum squared deviations divided by n minus 1. When it's sample, we divide it by n minus 1, or n equal 5. We have data, I will write it again, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when it's sample, we divide it by 5 minus 1, we divide it by 4. Variance. Equal. I get 90, the square deviation, the sum of square deviation 90 divided by 5 equal 18, and standard deviation equal the square root of 18 equal 4.24. 4.24. Variance equal 90, the sum of squared deviation 90 divided by n 5 minus 1 equal 90 divided by 4 equal 22.5, and standard deviation equal the square root of 22.5 equal 4.74. Summary. I hope it was a good lesson for today, and maybe I do another video lesson tomorrow. Bye bye.